Hello, I'm Ivan Dixon from Graybeard Productions, and I got a story I want to share with you. Me and my wife Amy, we had to get the house cleaned, and we both worked, just got so far behind. So I went out and I went on Robin's to Go, and I asked for anyone that had a house cleaning service. And Eunice came to me. She sent me a message and said, "Hey, we'll do it." So I reached out to her and contacted her, and let me tell you, when they came out here, it was like a whirlwind come through. She had 6 people on her team come through, clean the house in probably 3 hours, did everything. I mean, top to bottom. And I was very impressed about that. And the other thing that I'm very impressed about is, as I got to know her story and what she told me, that's what really moved me. And Eunice, I know you had told me that a lot of the girls that come into that work for you are single parents, right?
Yes.
And that you pretty much you take care of them and help them get where they need to be. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, when I start to do this, I do it because my husband told me. Before that, I'm working in a restaurant for 18 years. So work in a restaurant is really hard. Morning to all day, and I'm finished 11, sometimes at 12. So when I'm start to live together, he said, "You need to look another job because that work is not good for your kids. Right. You need to pass more time with your child." So I tell him like, "Okay, let me see what I do." And Mexico, my mother, she's housekeeping too.
Okay.
And that's what I learned to clean. When he told me, look another job, so I said, okay, I'm start to clean houses. I think it's easy.
Right.
No, it's not. So I passed really bad moments when my first husband left me. He left me with 4 kids.
Oh,
the first one is 14 in that moment, and the baby is 9 months. When he left, he canceled my electric bill. All my bills is in her name. So when he left, he canceled me everything. My English in that moment, now it's not real good, but at that moment I'm not speak English.
It's good though.
And I remember one day I was hungry. And I go to Kroger and I ask him to the manager, I need food for the baby. Supposed to be everybody have friends, but really nobody help you when you need it. And I remember that day I said, "Jesus, did you help me to out of the situation? When I have opportunity, I help people." So when I start to clean it, I think I'm doing good because I have more houses. And one day I said, "No, I need help." But I want people's trust people's. I want like people's honest. And I'm asking people run like me, clothes like me. So I start to work with other ladies. Don't speak English, don't drive in, don't have family, and in the same situation like me 12 years ago. So I don't know if I had good luck. I don't know if Jesus blessed me every day, but in that moment I had a lot of work, and every time I have more work, I have more opportunity to help these ladies.
Right.
I have single mothers work with me and do an excellent job.
I will vouch for that. They do an excellent job.
And I'm very proud of the ladies.
Yeah.
And my husband and me, people's thinking.
And this is Baltazar, by the way. I'm sorry I didn't introduce Baltazar.
Yeah. I try to do it like more professional because go clean houses, everybody do that. A lot of Latinos people do it. But my husband is doing good. Like go for your license, pay your insurance, do everything correctly. Because if something happen in the houses, you can have
Well, you don't want to
everything
get in trouble with things,
Yeah,
and it's
exactly.
good to be have everything, all the I's dotted and the T's crossed, right?
Yes, don't think it only make money. Like do everything correctly.
Right, right.
So ours, I buy another car, and I made 2 teams. I pay for the insurance, for the gas. The ladies don't spend any money for move to the house. So the ladies go, make her job, receive her check, clean. Ladies don't spend a gas and ride. The ladies don't worry about it for like the next day what I need to do for work. Like she know he have everything, work, car, any problem.
Right.
Our helps.
Right.
So I don't know if I do it good, but I'm trying to do it the best.
Well, I told you, like I said when we first started this video, when I talked to you the day you come, I was really moved by your story, and even more so, just what you do for the other ones. That you're not only in a business trying to make money for yourself, but you're trying to help folks who need it, right? You give them an opportunity. And it's always better to give someone an opportunity than to give them a handout, because they learn something and they're able to advance. So I just wanted to take this time, to give her a shout out and just let folks know that if you need somebody to clean your house, not only are they great at it, but she's doing a service to the community by helping those single parents, single moms who are just trying to make ends meet or to get by. So definitely give them a shout. And it's Gonzalez Cleaning Service, right?
And Handyman service.
Now that's what I was getting ready to say. So Balthazar, what all do you do?
I help him, okay? Because
Okay.
Like, he can talk like. And
That's
then
okay.
her nervous and her English is like. Okay. He doing everything about construction except air conditions. Everything reparation you need in your house, he can do it.
Okay.
He made floors, paint. Go ahead, baby, you can do it.
It's the paint, plumbing,
Paint and plumbing,
sheetrock, the frame, siding, and windows.
Okay.
Replace
Windows, doors, fans.
So pretty much anything but AC.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Well, that pretty much covers it. Well, thank you both for coming here, and from me, honestly, thank you for what you do for the community, because that does mean a lot to me.
And try the ladies feel happy. I think when one woman is happy, the kids is happy.
That's right. That's right.
So I'm try the ladies feel happy. See, I don't know if you remember when I hear everybody's laughing and.
That's right. That's right.
So I'm try the ladies be happy. So.
Well, thank you. Thank
I'm
you.
happy too.
Yeah. Well, listen, thank you. And I'm telling you,
thank you.
check out
you.
Gonzalez Cleaning Service and Handyman Service if you need them, because I'm telling you, they're not only great at what they do, they got a heart for other people, and that means a lot. You guys take care, be blessed, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.